A little different, untraditional of these board track bikes, going with the red rims. Just got them. Just sprayed them. Nice vibrant red. With a nice shine to it. With the gloss. Basically right here, you just use paint thinner, and you can always clean that up. Make sure you don't put a lot of paint thinner because it will damage your paint. So just take your time. You can see it. And I did have it in my hand when I was spraying, basically just holding it and spraying. But yeah, look forward for this build. I'm gonna try to get the forks done pretty soon, and try to get the bike to be completely as a bicycle. And then I'll start putting the engine and gas tank, making